Welcome back to EDU in 90. I'm May. I'm a former high school math teacher and part of the Google for Education team, working on our Certified Trainer program.
And I'm Kyle. I work on the Google for Education team supporting K-12 districts as they explore Google Cloud solutions. Since it's 2020, we're kicking off EDU 90's sixth season with 20 time-saving tips for G Suite for Education tools. We know that every minute of instructional time counts, and we've incorporated some of your favorite tricks on how you can save time throughout the day.
We'll go over the first 10 tips in this episode and save the rest for our episode tomorrow. And since we're all about saving time, let's get going.
Our first tip comes from Ann McDonald of Chattanooga, Tennessee. She recommends using .new to quickly create new G Suite files. You can type doc.new to create a new Google Doc and sheet.new to create a new Google Sheet. This also works for forms and slides.
Next up is using Google Docs' built-in spelling and grammar check to review students' work for errors. Go to the Tools menu, and then you can choose to check spelling, grammar, or both.
Moving on to Google Sheets, Shirley Cantrell McDonald suggests freezing rows and columns so you don't lose context when scrolling. Simply go to the View menu and select Freeze for columns or rows you want to lock into place, a trick that can be especially helpful when inputting grades or tracking assignments.
Shirley also suggests making your docs accessible to all students with a font size that's at least 12 points. You can also magnify the text on your screen by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Right caret.
Next, we have a tip for Google Classroom, and it's about using the comment bank to save frequently used feedback and grading details. This will save you from typing the same info in over and over again so you can focus on more individualized notes. Next up is a tip from Kim Benton of Woodbury, Minnesota. She suggests using voice typing as an efficient and hands-free way to draft report cards in Google Docs. To try this, choose voice typing from the Tools menu, then click the microphone to start or stop recording. Then, cut and paste your grades into your school's report card system.
You can also save time by using the Smart Compose feature in Gmail. Smart Compose uses machine learning to automatically offer suggestions as you type, helping you draft emails and text faster. If you like a suggestion, press Tab to use it. On mobile, tap after the suggestion to use it.
Now we have 2 Gmail tips from Stephanie Howell of Pickerington, Ohio. First, if you've got an overflowing inbox, she shares that you can quickly snooze an email and have it pop back into your main inbox later.
She also recommends using Gmail's Schedule Send feature. After you compose your email, click the arrow next to the Send button, then click Schedule for the day and time that works for you. Our last tip for this episode is also about scheduling. We suggest using Google's Calendar's appointment slots feature to share your availability with others, whether it's for in-person meetings or Hangouts meets video conferences. Open your calendar, choose the dates and times you can meet, and click Appointment Slots. Then, invite guests to these slots so they can book a time.
And we're done. Those are our first 10 time-saving G Suite and Classroom tips, and we hope these time hacks help as we start the new year. Share your feedback and tips in the comments below.
We'll be back tomorrow with a second episode featuring 10 more time-saving tips for G Suite for Education shared by educators like you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Google for Education YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.
Looking for the latest news from Google for Education? Follow along as we wrap up Season 5 and highlight updates from Chrome, G Suite, and more.